Solder the ELRS receiver to the flight controller board, according to the wiring diagram. Use a heat gun to heat the heat shrink tube of the receiver. Insert the 1 mm diameter carbon rod into the printed part. Install the flight controller board inside the 3D printed part. Assemble the two 3D printed parts together and secure the flight controller board. Use Super Glue 500 to glue to bond and fix the carbon rod to the 3D printed parts. Put the ELRS receiver into the 3D printed part. Install the servos into the 3D printed bracket. Plug the servo wire into the flight controller board. Bind the receiver to the remote controller. Turn on the remote controller. Locate the binding option on the remote controller. Turn on the flight controller power switch. Power the receiver on and off 3 times quickly to trigger its binding routine. Binding successful. Restart the remote controller and flight controller, then check if binding is successful. Now we can see the receiver signal appears. However, the remote controller cannot control the butterfly at present. Restart the flight controller power supply. Press button B once to switch to ELRS mode. Double-click button B again to confirm entering ELRS mode. Now the remote controller can control the butterfly. Install the servo arm in the proper position. The positions of the left and right servo arms are asymmetric now. Enable Channel 5 to enter the servo arm trim mode. Use Channel 1 and Channel 2 to adjust the servo arms to horizontal position. Adjustment completed. Exit servo arm trim mode. Double-click the B button on the flight controller to save the current settings. Apply glue to the screw holes before tightening the servo arm fixing screws. This can effectively prevent the screws from loosening during flight. Tighten the screws. Assembly completed. Install the wings and it's ready to fly.